Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the next episode on this series. We've been talking a lot about logic, controllers, route, but without a beautiful interface on your application, without a well-structured interface, something that converts your business, then your application might just be total bullshit. So this section or this episodes are going to focus, maybe the next three episodes are going to focus on how to best structure your views. So we're going to look at first thing is we want to get at least a beautiful template for this our view, and we're going to use Bootstrap. I'm just going to go to getbootstrap.com. Let's see documentation. So quick start. We want to get this quick start template. Well, you can always check out how it works. We go to our web.php. Sorry. So we copy this content, and we put it here. Some cleanup to be done. Okay. Yep. Let's see how it looks like. Oh, okay. We are not on home. Okay. So it has a bit of a different design. Welcome to Laravel, because we've added the Bootstrap class. So we just want to have a Navbar here. Let's check for Navbar. Let's look at how Navbar works. Let's look at a beautiful Navbar. Okay, let's just pick up the first one that makes sense to our code. Yeah, I think we'll copy this. So we have a Navbar here. So if we save this and we see how it looks like, okay, we have a Navbar. Let's give it some color. Let's give some color. Navbar, Navdark, BGDark. Oops. Okay, great. So we want to move all of these links to this top section, right? We want to move all of these links to this top section. There are some links that will not be important. We want to say, okay, no drop down, li. Okay, so we want to say all of these have a class called nav link. Yeah. So I'm just copying a bunch of classes and pasting them. So if we cut this, and we paste here. I'm thinking. Yeah, okay. So we have, okay, I think I'll remove this, not important. I remove the things that are not important for now. Sorry if the screen is a bit crowded. I'm trying to make it cleaner. Okay, so it's the same thing. It's just this one is just HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or HTML, CSS, not JavaScript. So if we come to contact, it still works. About, it works. Students, it works. Now think about it. We want this our navbar. Okay, our navbar, it should be logo. Learn Laravel the easy way. LLEW, maybe crazy syntax. It's like it goes to the home page. This one takes us to the home page. Yeah, so if we come here, So basically what we want to do is we want to ensure that when you come to about contact us, this navbar still remains. If you come to about us, this navbar remains. You come to my profile, navbar remains. And if you come to students, the navbar remains. Now, the conventional approach or the straightforward approach is to duplicate the same file that's the same content of this header to the students details page, profile page, contact us page. And think about it, that is really tedious. So Laravel has given us one thing at the course, layouts. It has a layout system. So if we open our Laravel documentation, we come to the templates layout. You can actually define a layout and then insert just specific section. So if you look at this, this is where I want us to focus for now, right? Let me increase the size. This is where I want us to focus for now. It says you can actually create a layout. There's a layout created in the layouts app.blade.php file that has the structure of your view. And then if you want to add a new section, you call it yield. You use the yield directive. So each time you see an arrobas or an arrobas before a name, it's called a directive, a blade directive. There are quite a couple of blade directives which we are going to see subsequently.